Hi, my name is Danielle Hudson Laughlin. I'm a business lawyer here in Georgia. And today I'm going to tell you the first 5 steps that you need to take to start a business. The first step that you need to take when starting a business is to consider the end goal. That's right, start with the end. You want to think about, why am I starting this business? Do I want to work in this business into retirement? Am I going to sell this business? Do I want to pass it on to my children? Would I like outside investors to be able to invest in it? All of those questions are going to help you determine what type of entity you need to choose. As you might imagine, the second step to starting a business is choosing the right entity for you. Now, a lot of people do business without a formal corporation or LLC, and that's okay. But if you want to prevent someone from suing you and attacking your house or your personal savings or your personal assets, I think it's best for you to really think about creating a formal company. And when you think about this question, there are a lot of considerations that you need to think about. For example, if you have a certain type of an entity, for example, an LLC or a limited liability company, you have a lot of informal things that you can do with that company, but it does come with other limitations. So this second step is critical so you don't have to later change up your entity, which can cost a lot of money. The third step in starting your business is to register your company with the Secretary of State's office. And what this does is it lets everybody know that you are now doing business as this new company. And that's very important, because if you don't have an active registered company with the state, it's basically like you never had any company at all. And you're going back to that doing business as without the liability shield that we just talked about. The fourth step in starting a business is to get your federal and state tax identification numbers. This is important because if you don't get separate numbers for your business, you're going to need to use your personal Social Security number. And I don't know about you, but I don't want my personal Social Security number out there like that. It's a pretty simple process. You go straight to the federal government's website, the IRS's website. You get your tax identification number within a few minutes. And same idea with the state. You register with the Department of Labor to get a tax identification number. That way, when you're ready to pay your taxes, you can pay with that number. And also when you start a bank account and things like that, you can actually use a number that doesn't reveal your personally identifiable information. The fifth and final thing you need to do to start your new business is get a business license. And this is the number one thing that I see business owners not doing properly. You're going to see what's called an occupational tax certificate. That is a business license. Typically, it goes through the county or the city where you intend to do business with your principal place of business. Remember, even if you have a home-based business and you don't even have a location other than your house, you still need to get a business license. You have to be able to operate without getting a citation from your local government because you didn't register. They want their taxes too. So now you know everything that you need to do to start your new business. Just remember, after you've done all of these things, set up a separate bank account so you can start collecting that cash. And if you ever need help, give us a call. We'll be happy to talk you through all of the days ahead of you for your great new business.